We upgrade our phones every few years, almost without thinking about it. It's become second nature. When a new model comes out or our old one starts to slow down, we're ready to make the switch. We look forward to the new features, the better camera, the faster performance. It's exciting, not intimidating. The same goes for our cars. When they get old or start giving us trouble, we trade them in for something newer, safer, and more reliable. It's a big decision, but it's one we make with confidence, knowing it's for the best. But, you know, when it comes to our PCs, the idea of upgrading can feel overwhelming. For many people, just the thought of changing their computer setup is enough to cause stress or even panic. It's easy to worry about losing files, learning new systems, or dealing with unexpected costs. Maybe it's the cost that makes you hesitate, or the fear of disrupting your daily routine. Or maybe it's simply the uncertainty, wondering what will change and if you'll be able to handle it. But here's the good news. Upgrading your Windows 10 PCs doesn't have to be a nightmare. In fact, it can be a smooth, even empowering experience if you approach it the right way. Lately, there's been a lot of talk about Windows 10 support ending. Headlines and rumors can make it sound like a crisis, but the reality is much less dramatic. Sure, it's natural to feel a little anxious about change, especially when it comes to technology. But honestly, the situation isn't as scary as it might seem at first glance. With a little planning, some research, and the right information, you can navigate this transition smoothly and confidently. You don't have to be a tech expert to make smart decisions. Think of it like planning a vacation. When you take the time to prepare, make a checklist, and understand your options, the journey becomes much easier and even enjoyable. Remember, this isn't about rushing out to buy all new computers overnight. It's about evaluating your needs, understanding what's changing, and making informed choices that fit your business or personal situation. Upgrading is about being proactive, not reactive. It's about making smart, strategic decisions that will benefit you in the long run, rather than waiting until you're forced to act. In this essay, we'll cut through the noise and give you the real facts about what's happening with Windows 10, what your options are, and how you can make the transition without breaking a sweat. By the end, you'll feel prepared, informed, and ready to take the next step. No fear required. Let's get one thing clear. Microsoft isn't shutting down Windows 10 on October 14th, 2025. There's a lot of confusion out there, but your computer isn't going to suddenly stop working or lock you out when that date arrives. You won't wake up to a blank screen or lose access to your important files overnight. Your computers will still work just as they do today, and you'll be able to log in, open your programs, and get your work done without any immediate changes. Your files, documents, and photos will all remain right where you left them. Nothing will disappear or be deleted simply because support is ending. You can keep using Windows 10 just like you always have, with the same familiar interface and features you're used to. There's no forced upgrade or automatic shutdown. What's actually ending is mainstream support from Microsoft. This is an important distinction. After October 14th, 2025, Microsoft will stop releasing free feature updates and, more importantly, security patches for the standard version of Windows 10. That means your system won't get new features or improvements, and it won't receive critical security updates to protect against the latest threats. Without these updates, your PC becomes more vulnerable to new security risks, viruses, and malware that could target unsupported systems. But don't panic. There's a safety net called Extended Security Updates, or ESU, which can help bridge the gap for those who need more time. This program is designed to give businesses and organizations extra time to plan and transition to a newer operating system without immediately losing all security support. We'll dive deeper into how ESU works, who it's for, and what your options are in the next section. So stay tuned to make the best decision for your setup. Think of Extended Security Updates, or ESU, as an insurance policy for your Windows 10 PCs. Just like you wouldn't drive a car without insurance, you shouldn't run critical business systems without protection from the latest security threats. ESU acts as a safety net, ensuring your devices remain secure even after official support ends. For a relatively small price per device per year, Microsoft will continue to provide essential security updates for 3 additional years, extending coverage until October 14th, 2028. This means your organization can keep using Windows 10 safely without worrying about missing out on crucial patches that protect against new vulnerabilities. ESU ensures that your PCs stay protected from the latest cyber threats, malware, and exploits, even after mainstream support has ended. This ongoing protection is vital for maintaining business continuity and safeguarding sensitive information. This is especially crucial for businesses that handle sensitive data, operate in regulated industries, or simply can't afford to have their systems compromised by hackers or ransomware attacks. But remember, ESU isn't a permanent solution. It's more like a temporary bridge, giving you extra time to plan your next move without rushing into decisions that could impact your business. Whether that means upgrading to Windows 11 to take advantage of the latest features and security enhancements, switching to a different operating system like Linux or Mac OS to better fit your organization's needs, or even repurposing your old PCs for other tasks such as training, testing, or community projects. ESU buys you valuable time to make the right decision for your business's future, ensuring you stay protected while you plan your next steps with confidence.